Welcome to our tutorial about detail view. The reason for creating a detail view in a drawing is to show a portion of the view and usually in a larger scale. Let's begin by creating a new drawing document. Make part from drawing assembly. We'll accept landscape B. I'm going to grab and drag in the top view. Click OK. As you see, the details on the right side of the part are quite small in relation to the size of the rest of the part. This is a perfect opportunity for a detail view. Let's activate the Detail View tool. As you see, the Circle tool becomes active. Let's create a circle. Something like this. And let's place our detail view right here. Let's change the label to A, tab. Let's change the scale too. Use custom scale 1:1. Let's reposition it a little bit and then click OK. Now let's apply some dimensions. Next, the diameter dimension. Right-click, display as diameter. Let's dimension this edge as well. Lastly, let's define the position of the slot. And here we're going to insert the overall dimension. Let's dimension the thickness too, right here. OK. Zoom to fit. And this concludes our tutorial about detail view.